First up, we have Otaru Taisho Glass Museum. The Otaru Taisho Glass Museum is a celebration of artistry and history, perfectly capturing the essence of Japan's Taisho era. The museum is not just about admiring exquisite glassworks, it's also a hands-on experience. Visitors can try their hand at glass-blowing workshops, guided by skilled artisans, to create their very own masterpiece. Next, we're at the Taisho Glass Tanbatamakan, a paradise for lovers of intricate glass art. These vibrant pieces are handcrafted and inspired by Otaru's rich glassmaking heritage. And the best part? You can craft your own. Join a hands-on workshop to design a bead that's uniquely yours, perfect for a one-of-a-kind souvenir. This place beautifully combines tradition, creativity, and charm. The museum also houses a shop where you can purchase elegant sake glasses, intricate jewelry, and decorative pieces. It's a perfect way to bring a piece of Otaru's heritage back home. Housed in a beautifully restored 19th century building, the Otaru Romantic Museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the city's evolution. This museum immerses you in the golden age of Otaru when it thrived as a key trading hub. The exhibits feature original artifacts, old photographs, and detailed maps of trade routes that once connected Otaru to the world. One standout feature is the replica of an old trading office, giving visitors an authentic feel of life during the Meiji and Taisho periods. The architecture itself, with its red brick walls and intricate woodwork, is a marvel. The Otaru Romantic Museum also highlights the city's glassmaking heritage, featuring exquisite antique glassware and displays that reflect the artistry and craftsmanship of Otaru's past. These pieces beautifully capture the blend of functionality and elegance that define the era. Next, we have the Otaru Music Box Museum. Stepping into the Otaru Music Box Museum feels like entering a magical world. The museum is housed in a charming European-style building that's over a century old. With its softly glowing chandeliers and wooden interiors, the ambience adds to the fairy tale vibe. Visitors can explore an array of handcrafted music boxes, ranging from small keepsakes to grand pieces featuring intricate moving figures. The museum also features a DIY corner, where you can assemble your own custom music box, choosing from a variety of melodies and designs. On to the Kitaichi Glass No. 3 building. The Kitaichi Glass No. 3 building is more than just a shop. It's an experience that fuses Otaru's rich glassmaking history with cozy hospitality. This spacious venue showcases a wide range of handcrafted glass items, from home decor to tableware. The dimly lit space is illuminated by hundreds of glowing oil lamps, creating a serene and romantic atmosphere. Take a break at the adjoining cafe, where you can sip on expertly brewed coffee or tea while enjoying the warm glow of the lamps. It's the perfect spot to unwind and take in the artistry surrounding you. Our next spot is Kitakaro. Kitakaro is a must-visit destination for those with a sweet tooth. Famous for its freshly baked cream puffs, the store's interior smells like a dream. Each cream puff is generously filled with velvety custard, made with fresh Hokkaido cream and eggs. Besides cream puffs, Kitakaro offers a wide selection of pastries, cookies, and cakes, including their signature bankachan. The packaging of their products is as delightful as the treats themselves, making them perfect gifts. Be sure to stop by their cafe section for a quiet moment to savor your sweets with a cup of aromatic tea. Make sure to also stop off at LeTAO. LeTAO has become synonymous with indulgence, and its double fromage cheesecake is the star of the show. This dessert boasts a unique layered texture, a rich baked cheesecake base topped with a creamy mascarpone layer. The result is a melt-in-your-mouth experience that dessert lovers will never forget. At the flagship store, you'll find an array of exclusive desserts, including seasonal specialties that you can't find elsewhere. The second floor offers a quaint dining space with large windows, providing a panoramic view of Otaru's picturesque streets. It's the ideal spot for an afternoon break. Now, we're stepping into the magical world of the Otaru Music Box Hall, an iconic landmark in the city. Located in an impressive historic building, this hall is the heart of Otaru's music box culture. Inside, you'll find a dazzling collection of music boxes ranging from tiny, delicate keepsakes to large, ornate masterpieces. The hall also offers workshops where you can design and craft your own music box. Choose your favorite melody, select from an array of decorative components, and create a unique keepsake to remember your trip by. It's a perfect activity for families, couples, or anyone looking to bring a piece of Otaru's charm back home. This place isn't just about souvenirs, it's about creating memories that you'll cherish forever. Lastly, we have the Otaru Canal restaurant. The Otaru Canal restaurant combines delectable local cuisine with an unbeatable view. Situated alongside the historic canal, the restaurant specializes in fresh seafood dishes, including sashimi platters, grilled fish, and creamy Hokkaido crab soups. For those looking for a fusion twist, the menu also features dishes like seafood pasta and sushi rolls. Whether you're here for lunch or dinner, the combination of flavors and scenery is unbeatable. And that's a wrap on our Otaru adventure. From glittering glassworks to mouthwatering desserts, this city truly has it all. Which spot are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing travel content.